I remember some people here in the comment section saying that you do not get the Jupiter airdrop by simply swapping tokens. Well, you were wrong. If you did follow my video, you would have been eligible for the Jupiter 2 airdrop, because as you see from the screen right now, and I'm showing to you as well, these swaps count and the volume counted. And a lot of you in the comments said, oh no, they don't count, oh no, they will not count, this and that. Well, it counted just like the perpetual, which I told you to do, as well as the staking the token. So we're gonna go and look more into details about that. You're already able to go and mint and farm the season 3, which is gonna come next January. Throughout the whole year, you have the possibility to go and grab yourself the season 3. We got 20,000 token for the highest rank, and in a year, everybody can achieve that by simply swapping $1,000 a day, 10 times a day. You easily achieve it. So we're gonna go and talk about it more, but we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is the Linea airdrop over here. Make sure to go and grab yourself this NFT, which I do have already here. The link will be down below. This is for the Linea airdrop. You can check your stat, like you can check yours. I've already done it, and it will create this end of the year airdrop NFT. We know that it is going to come in the 2025 Q1 2025. Linea will have the airdrop, so make sure to go and grab yours. I got all of my transaction. Let me know if you have your details down below, like the total transaction. But most importantly, I want to know your LXP count, which we do have over here. We got to see the LXP. I got 2,365. And also let me know your LXPL count, which this is based on the liquidity that you provided for the network, which we did talk about it. We do it on Stargate, and it is very important. So let me know your stats down below. Make sure to go and grab yourself this airdrop, this claiming of the NFT, because it is going to be very, very important for the Linea airdrop, the claiming possibility in 2025. And also you do have this one over here, the interact quest. I will leave the link down below. Also for this second one, you gotta mint the Superchain reward, very important. It is a quest. You get a lucky draw, repost them, follow them, and you are very good to go. So I will leave you also this link down below. Make sure to go and grab yourself the Linea NFT, very important, and also complete this free quest over here. By simply doing this quest, you'll be eligible for this one. Following up, a little bit of an update over on Nodepay. Now, Nodepay has managed to grab themselves $7 million in founding raise. Now, Nodepay, if you didn't know, you're still able to go and farm it, so I will leave you the link down below. And this is the platform right here. This is a Nodepay platform. I got for this season 2, I got 2 million points. You're still able to go and farm it. It is ending on the 31st of December, and we already gonna move into the season 3 airdrop. So very, very important. It is just like the grass airdrop, if you didn't know, but you are able to go and farm it. We go over here, the missions and the rewards, as you are able to go and see. You got different missions to go and do on a daily basis. You got some quests to go and complete. They give you extra point. With the extra point, you got the daily streak as well. You can also check your season 1 and season 0 airdrop. I got myself approximately 2,000 tokens, and they have received a 7 million total founding, which you can go and check it if you have the possibility, which is very good. People were shaming on this, kind of like, oh, it will not achieve to anything. Grass airdrop was the better airdrop, this and that. They actually got $7 million funding, which is really, really good. And a lot of people are hating on it. A lot of people are surprised by it. But it is, you know, AI, it is data. Like, they have a lot of investors. So that is for all of you that participate in the season 0 and the season 1, which I did talk about it. And now you're still able to go and participate both on the season 2. And as we see over here from the earnings, the season 3 will start very, very soon, and it does look like it is going to be 2 months per 2 months. So make sure to grab yours. This is my activity for the season 0. I was a little bit late. For the season 1, I was in it. Season 2, I'm fully devoted to it, and the season 3, it is also very, very soon. So make sure to go and join. The link will be down below. Once you join, it is very, very simple. You got the missions. Come over here to the live dashboard. This is your dashboard with your point, missions, etc. Another airdrop that you can go and grab yourself for free. Just a reminder, we did talk about it, but if you're new to the channel, if you just follow recently, there is this free Say Eco airdrop, which all you gotta do is simply community quest. You gotta do a few transactions within the whole network, so you can go and grab that. You got daily quest, you can collect the waves, you can check their Twitter posts, and then you got the starter quest. So make sure to go and join it, and once you're in, just navigate through the app. It is free to go and earn. You do not need to spend any money. You got the quests, which as you see are all free to go and do, which is very, very nice. You got the activity to go and check out every activity within the ecosystem. and also your group, as well as over here you got different activities, you got the gaming, how does it work to start a chain, etc. So make sure to go and check it, make sure to go and grab all of your people, make sure to go and create your chain, your community, which it is very, very important if you wish. But through the link down below, make sure to start it, make sure to be able to be one of the first ones to do this airdrop. It is free, and another free airdrop is the Plaza airdrop over here. Now, this is a very simple airdrop. You simply gotta sign up to the link down below. It is still on a testnet, and it is very much under farm. Like, the community behind it is very little. We can see here on Twitter that usually a testnet that is super spoken got like 300, 200,000 followers. We started this on the channel, by the way, when they had 9,000 followers. They now have 44,000 followers. And what you gotta do? Well, simply once you connect through the link down below, you will be redirected over here. Grab your test tokens, which I already did, and then simply go to, you got the portfolio to go and check your stats. But this is all test token. Like, you do not need to look at it as I've got money. This is all test token. And there's only two activities that you gotta do: earn and leverage. Simply go sell and buy the token over here. As you see, for example, these are the test tokens that I received. I buy this one, I do transaction on a daily basis. It counts only one transaction per day, so you cannot spam it. Once you do transaction, you see over here 291.6, 296.8. So you do get tokens, you do get the transaction, and by simply doing these transactions, you have the possibility to go and earn token. The same goes with the leverage over here. We go and do the leverage, for example. And by the way, at 100, 200, 300, and 400 points, you can go and grab yourself an NFT, which I will show you in just a second. By doing this transaction, I will get myself to 300 points, as we see over here. And then we will go and do the last one, which is the buy one for the wrap Ethereum. And we will go and put it all over here. Okay, sounds good. As well as we do have the USDC token over there, which is left, which I will go and put more. So the more you accumulate, the more you do, as we see here, the more points you will receive. And once you reach the milestone with like 100, 200, 300 token, which is very, very interesting, it's what we need to do. Try to have a little bit of money on both earning and leverage, which is super important. We go and collect ourselves the NFT, which we did talk about. And the NFT is right here. We go down to the points and rewards, and you have the possibility to collect them right here. So you got the access to exclusive Discord channel by claiming this NFT. And this is by simply doing the transaction on a daily basis, which is absolutely easy, level 4. So make sure to go and grab yours as well. It is nice, it is a testnet, and literally you've seen, this is all you gotta do. There's no work, there's nothing crazy to be done. So really, really interesting. Another possibility that I want to go and talk to you about is Bungee. Now, Bungee, we have talked about it in previous days. We've talked about it. It is one of those bridges that I did give you the list of things that I do farm on a monthly or bi-weekly basis. We got Stargate, we got Bungee. It is tokenless. We got Relay, we got D-Bridge, we got a Welto, and so on. But Bungee released the end of the year wrap. Once again, make sure to go and check it out. Make sure to go and share it on Twitter, not Facebook, sorry, and make sure to go and do all of these things because it could be interesting. They give you the total market volume that you transaction, how many transactions you've done, how many, it was also in May, month by month, year by year. So make sure to go and do it. And of course, make sure to go and use Bungee for the foreseeable future because they are a tokenless protocol. But talking about Jupiter, which we did talk about in the beginning of the video, well, here is the first overview of the upcoming Jupiter distribution. And here is the link. I will leave you the link to go and grab yourself immediately the Jupiter airdrop, the Jupiter Season 3 airdrop, because you need to go and understand it, that it is simple as that. As we see here, a lot of people were like, oh, by doing the swaps, you don't receive it. Oh, by doing this, you don't receive it. Users, stakers, which means in the users, a user is somebody that swaps. This is what the protocol is made to do. A user is somebody that swaps Solana to USDC. We've done it. We've done all of the swaps, Solana, USDT, all of the R1 that you wanted to do. We have it over here. These are all the swaps, as you see, that we have gone and we kept on doing throughout the years. We got 29 days, 1 month, and going on and on and on and on. So it does only give you a 10-month window. And these are already counting, by the way, for the next airdrop. These are counting for the Season 3 airdrop because the snapshot was taken in November. So go and do the swaps. Just go Solana to USDC, then go from USDC to Jupiter, then Jupiter to USDT, and keep on doing swaps and swaps and swaps and swaps because this is what people will receive. The vast majority of people are from swapping. And yes, not only swappings, go and try out the perpetual, which we did. And I did lose a few money also over here on the perpetual. So Go and try out the perpetual. Go and try out, very important over here, the limit, the dollar cost average. Try all of them, because these are all things that are important. And as well, which we did see it, I did position myself for the future airdrop, the season 3 airdrop. I will position myself a little bit better. I got 5,000 Jupiter staked in total. I did have about 500 when the snapshot was taken for the season 2. I did vote on everything. So what we did, the stacking, the voting, the swapping, dollar cost average, we talked about this, and a lot of people were just shaming on the comments saying, oh no, swapping is not going to be this, oh no, perpetual is not going to be that, oh, there's too many people. Well, it ended up being Jupiter. It is made to swap. Volume is important. So here we have it. We got the eligibility criteria is the swap users, total was 10 million. Therefore, there was a minimum of $1,000 per, in total swaps that you had to do, that you had the possibility to do it. And then expert traders, 650,000 wallet with a minimum activity reach, users of perpetual, allow, dollar cost average, ape, etc. Seems to be this one over here. So swaps users and expert user by simply utilizing the whole platform, which I don't think I've done the dollar cost average and the ape, but I've done perpetual. We will see for myself. But, looking at this, the season 3 airdrop, we really are there to go and see what they want. They want everything. They want once a month, twice a month, the swap has to be done every day. So link is down below, save it, go there every day, save it, go and do swaps every day. We got the limit, which can be done. Of course, this is a, for example, a limit is very simple. Here we got it, for example, we can go and trade for 0.01 Solana, okay, no, 0.03, and you can swap it for the USDC. Simply place the order over here, and this is how you do it. The limit, it's very simple. You simply say, oh, there's a limit to what I want to spend, there's a limit to how I want to do it, and you simply go and do it over here. You have the limit placed, and then you're good to go. If it reaches, then you will end up buying it. Here we got the order history. I actually got it canceled for some reason. Well, I did try it, but I did cancel it back in the day, so whatever. We got the open orders and everything. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure the open order is 109.5 USDC per sol. This is the open order, total filled 0. Just leave it there and it will get filled, as well as the dollar cost average. Dollar cost average is the other one, which you can simply go and do at least 100 USDC for 2 orders, and then the VA. So make sure to go and do everything. Make sure to start swapping now, because it is important for the season 3 airdrop. Following up, we have also the claiming of the free Concero x Lanca CERS point. The Concero x Lanca is spreading holiday cheers. I did grab mine, I claimed it. Now, I am not sure what I actually received in terms of, I have no history for this, but here we got it. I got 93 CERS token at 12:30, so just when I was starting this video. I don't know what it's going to be like. You can claim it over here. The receiver will play this CERS token, which we have claimed now, will play an important role in the upcoming airdrop. So claiming them is a smart move, and it costs nothing. It is super easy. Here I got 93 CERS. Now, you can provide liquidity with USDC or Ethereum in the coming days. You can go and swap another protocol, Lanca, to have the possibility to go and swap for the airdrop, to have a possibility for a larger airdrop, which, there's volume, there's total rewards, which I did claim myself also right now. But make sure also here, also Lanca, to go and provide swapping. It is one of those platforms that Lanca airdrop, if we simply go and type it over here, Lanca airdrop, we can see that it is a tokenless product and other people are going to be doing it. So tell you what, I will save this one over here on my bridging mechanism, and I will simply go and swap token with Lanca twice a month, once a month, whatever it is. I will go and do it, and I will remind myself to go and do it. Here we got the airdrop. As we said, people are talking about it. Airdrop can't leave any potential airdrop unturned, which means tokenless product. Make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and participate. Let me know your total claim allocation down below, which is very, very easy to go and do. You simply go to this webpage, you connect, you grab, you claim, and you're good to go. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.